But there's a very interesting Sanskrit verse. It says, Nadeva dandamadaya rakshanti pashupalavat yam rakshitum icchanti buddhya samvivajantika. It means that when you ask for help, assistance in removing your obstacles and for protection, the gods do not appear like cowboys with sticks in their hands. They give you the intelligence to make the right decision. So it is through our intelligence that we learn to make the right decisions and overcome obstacles. So today's process is basically the making of offerings. The offerings that we make are 5 types: something to see, smell, taste, touch, hear. So these are all our senses. So normally these senses are used for our own self-gratification. But in the act of puja, we are offering all the senses and their objects up to Ganesha, to the principle of wisdom, so that ultimately these 5 senses can be used for the benefit of all beings. So we always end our yoga practice with Loka samasta sukhino bhavantu. May all the worlds be happy. May we pursue this path of yoga not for our own self-gratification, but ultimately to bring benefit to the entire universe. And so each time we do our practice, we think that initially this practice is for myself, but ultimately it is for the welfare of all beings. To think of the 3 great good fortunes that we all have. We all have a human birth. We all have access to great teachers and great teachings, and we all have the ability to practice. So I want you to reflect upon these 3 great good fortunes while I recite these verses in praise of the Guru. And now I recite a peace chant. So while I recite this, I want you to think of yourselves. May I be peaceful and happy. Think of your loved ones. Think of your family, friends. Think of your neighbors. And think of all beings throughout the universe. May all beings be well. May all beings be happy. May all beings be peaceful. Om Bhadram Karnebhi Shrunuyama Deva Bhadram Pashyamachabharyajatrah Sthirairange Stushkavagam Sastanubihi Vyashema Devahitam Yadayuhu Swasti na Indra Vridashrava Swasti na Pusha Vishvaveda Swasti nastarsho arishtanemihi Swasti no brahaspatir dadhatu Ano bhadra kratavo yanto vishvataha Adabdaso aparitasa udvidaha Devanno yata sadamitvade Asanna prayuvo rakshitaro dive dive Mitrasya ma chakshusha sarvani bhutani samikshyantam Mitrasyaham chakshusha sarvani bhutani samikshye Mitrasya chakshusha samikshamhe Om shanti 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 Pradhyasmavyera namasopasadya Mitram devam mitradheyanno astu Anuradhana vishavardhayanta Shatam jivema sharadasa vira Om shanti 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 Om Namah Sadase, Namah Sadasaspataye, Namah Sakinam Puroganam Chakshushe, Namo Dive, Namah Prithivye, Saprata Sabham Me Gopaya, Yecha Sabhya Sabha Sadaha, Tani सर्वमायुरुपासताम् अस्य यजमानस्य मुहूर्तसुमुहूर्तो इति भवन्तो महान्तो अनुगृह्णन्तु. Just wash it. Just wash it. Right hand, place it on your left hand. This is an asana that is a very secret asana that very few people will teach you. This is called Brahma asana. It is a posture of Brahma. And we assume this posture when we are making a sankalpa, which is a statement of intent. And the idea is that you are Brahma, you create your own reality through your thoughts. Yad bhavati tad bhavati. That which you contemplate upon, you manifest in reality. So Anthony Robbins will tell you this for $3,000. You get it from up free, from the source. So I'm going to make a general statement of intent that may all those that practice in this space, may they achieve happiness, joy, removal of obstacles, health, prosperity, etc., etc. But you must think now of what you want to really achieve through this process, through this puja and through this opening of this space. Om Shuklambaradharam Vishnum Shashivaranam Chaturbhujam Prasannavadanam Dhyayet Sarva Vignopushantaya Prananayam Hri Om Tadeva Laganam Sudinam Tadeva Tarabalam Chandravalam Tadeva Vidyabalam Devabalam Tadeva Lakshmi Padidendriyogam Smarami Pitir Vishnu Tatavara Nakshatram Vishnurevacha Yogascha Karanam Chaiva Sarvam Vishnumayam Jagat Hari Om Tat Sat Shubhe Shogar Muhurte Adi Brahmana Dvitiya Parade Shri Shvetavaraha Kalte Vaivasvada Manvantra Ashtavinshititame Kaliyuge Kaliyugasa Prathama Padi Jambudvipe Meroho Agni Digbhage Astralya Deshe Siddhi Mahanagri Andargate Vyavaharikanam Prabhavadi Shishti Samasaranam Madhye Virodi Nam Samatsare Dakshinayane Vasantarito Kartika Mase Shukla Pakshe Shubhadito Shubhanakshatrayutayam Shubhayoge Shubhakarane Sakala Graha Guna Visheshna Sitamasyam Shubhatito Mame Jamana Hukata Samasta Duritakshatwara Shri Parameshwara Prityartam Sarvesham Saukutumbanam Kshemastheirya Dheirya Virya Vijaya Ayur Arogeshwaryanam Abhivriddhyartam Sarvarishta Shantyartam Sarvabhishta Siddhyartam Asmin Yogashale Sthitanam Sakala Jananam Adhyapakanam Abhyasakanam Sharira Dridagatrata Siddhyartam Vartamana Vartishyamana Sharira Pida Parihara Artham Sarva Adhishta Siddhyartham Sarva Amangala Pariharartham Adyasmin Shubhedine Mahaganapati Pujam Karishye